My name is Stephen Fairlie, and I'm here to speak with you about dog bite cases. There are more than 300,000 dog bites that require medical treatment every year, and the scary part about that is that 60% of them involve children. What should you do if you're involved in a dog bite situation? The first step is to secure the area. I've seen a lot of cases where the dog comes back. People are bitten, the dog runs off, it's scared or it's frightened and runs off. The people inspect the injuries, and the next thing you know, the dog is back to attack again. If you've been bitten by a dog, get into a car and close the doors. Get inside a house and close the doors, but make sure that you're not at risk of being bitten by the dog again. The second thing that you want to do if you've been bitten by a dog is contact the police, and there's two important reasons for that. The first is the police are going to do a better job of securing the scene, and they'll make sure the dog's not going to come back to harm you again. The second aspect of calling the police is that if you want to bring a case against the owner of the dog, you're going to have to find out who that is. And the police will do a better job of learning who it is, and it's more safe to have the police go talk to the owner of the dog than to try to do that yourself. The third thing that you want to do if you've been bitten by a dog is to take photographs of the injuries right away. Don't wait until you go see a lawyer 2 or 3 days later. There's no reason that you can't take out your smartphone and take good quality pictures right in the emergency room while you're waiting for treatment before the wound has been stitched up. It's very important that you use proper lighting and make sure that you're getting good pictures. Don't just snap the pictures and put them away without looking at them. Keep taking pictures until you have good, high quality pictures to be able to document your case for the insurance company later on. The insurance company is not going to take your word for it that you had a gaping wound that required stitches to be closed. It's much better to have the photographic evidence of that than to try to explain it after the fact. The fourth thing you want to do if you've been bitten by a dog is to contact a lawyer and make sure that someone is pursuing the dangerous dog law. If you contact us, we'll take steps to make sure that the dog is taken off the streets and not in a situation where the dog is going to be in your neighborhood where you're at risk of being bitten by that dog again. Pennsylvania has strict liability for serious injuries caused by a dog. And what that means is that if you or a loved one are bitten by a dog and there's a serious injury such as scarring or nerve damage or in some cases even death, you will be in a position where you don't have to prove that the owner was negligent or knew that the dog was dangerous or the dog had bitten anyone previously. You will be able to recover regardless of those factors. Even in less serious injuries, normally you're in a position to be able to bring a case. At Fairlie and Lippy, we offer free consultations, and there's never a fee unless we get you a recovery. We have some of the best dog bite investigators in the Philadelphia area, and we will put them to use in your case to maximize the value of your case.